everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have a unboxing today. It came in a bag and a box, so let me go ahead and see what I got. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you subscribe because when I hit 500, I'm doing a giveaway. And if you refer someone and they become a subscriber, let me know and you'll get an extra entry. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and see what I got. Got my blade. Let's see here. Okay, we're almost in. Gosh, it's crazy. Okay, white box. Crazy. Ted's being silly. Oh God, he's a riot. Oh, okay, it's from Chanel. All right. Okay, and they give you a card. It says Chanel on it. Comes in packaging like this. Little black thing on the top here. Right, let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. They have the holiday collection for 2020. So okay, like that basically. Alright, and then you get, in this little bag here, you get a couple of samples. So, let's take a look here. And these little bags here are pretty usable, so. Alright, so I got Chanel number 5. And that's what the sample looks like, basically. And this is Coco Mademoiselle, Chanel. And that's what the sample looks like there. Okay, little holder. And they give you some confetti. Alright, and this is their 773, and this is their holiday nail varnish. And let's take a look and see what that looks like. It's in gold for the holiday. And then the top looks like that. Alright, so I'm looking forward to using that. So I'm trying to grow my nails out, so that's going to work out pretty good. And what are you guys getting from the Chanel holiday collection? Anything good? I have a few more things coming, so I'll be unboxing that. And then Thursday is Ted's birthday, so hopefully his surprise will get here by then. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.